Hi dolls, welcome back to my natural glam makeup tutorial. So first we're going to moisturize and prime our face. I already filled my eyebrows in off of camera, so conceal your brows top and bottom and blend to the rest of the eyelid. For the transition shade, you're going to go in and apply that into a circular motion on the tip part of your brush and blend that in all the way. My eyelid color, I'm going in with a golden shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm going to pat that in. Just pack on and build on that product onto that eyelid in the inner corner part. And to make your eyeshadow more smoky, take a darker eyeshadow color and then put it into the V shape on that outer corner and to smoke out that eyeshadow. And these are the lashes that I'll be using, dollfacey.com custom lash strips. And as that glue is drying on those strips, I'm going to apply my foundation, and you can apply your concealer exactly how I'm applying it. Do not be afraid to apply product. The more product, the better. Now we're going to blend in our product. Do not drag your makeup because it's going to make your face wider. We want to have a snatch look. So just keep dabbing it into your skin. Blend that out, that concealer. Then you're going to contour. And after we contour, we're going to set our face with translucent setting powder. After we let the translucent setting powder set into our skin, we're going to dust it off with pressed powder and apply blush. Make sure you're smiling when you're applying blush, and apply highlight. Lastly, apply lip liner and lip gloss, and there you go, full glam under 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.